We're going to show you 3 different ways to turn leftover paper plates into new and exciting things. Use this friendly dinosaur desk tidy to store your scrap paper. You will need 2 paper plates, a cardboard tube, some green paint, and glue. We are going to use 1 paper plate for the body and another for the tail, spiky armour and head. Place 1 paper plate on top of the other and use it to trace your dinosaur's spiky armour by drawing a zigzag shape along the bottom of the plate. Then, remove the top plate and draw a head with a long neck and a long tail. You can create any type of dinosaur you want, but try to make sure the head and the tail are the same length so your dinosaur stays standing. Cut out the pieces using your safety scissors and take your kitchen roll tube and cut 2 equal pieces for the legs. Now it's time to get creative and paint your dinosaur. We're going to make a green dinosaur, but you can use any colour you want. Once all of your pieces have dried, take the whole paper plate and fold it in half. Then, take your kitchen roll pieces and snip out a triangle shape from the centre of each piece. Glue around the edges of the cut-out triangle shape and insert the folded plate. Now it's time to glue on your spiky armour, head and the tail. And there you have it, a dinosaur desk tidy from an old paper plate. Want some more ideas for old paper plates? Try these. Old paper plates are the perfect size and shape for a homemade dream catcher. Take a paper plate and carefully cut out the centre using your safety scissors. Punch holes all around the inner circle, like this. Then, using a length of spare wool, thread it through each of the holes, weaving it in and out to make a decorative middle. Punch 3 holes at the bottom of your paper plate and tie on 3 woolly tassels. And choose a good spot to display your dream catcher. Or what about these fun animal masks for you and your friends to play with? Cut a paper plate in half and draw 2 cheeks and a nose. Then use some scrap paper to create 2 ears. Ask your grown-up to cut out the 2 eye shapes. Paint your mask brown and leave it to dry. Then glue on your cheeks, nose and ears, like this. And there you have it, animal masks. Let your imagination run wild and create lots of different animals.